12th class के बाद a lot of students look for advice while selecting a course. Undergraduate course का selection आपका career decide करता है. This is a very big decision. This video discusses some of the tips to help this selection. Hi, this is Trisha and you're watching Schooling Times. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेते हुए आप किस तरह से अपना कोर्स सेलेक्ट करें. So let's take a look at the do's and don'ts while you select your degree. Peer pressure, parents का pressure, competition, high cut-offs, entrance exams for many courses, and above all, the race for popular courses. Let's quickly take a look at the reasons why students choose the wrong course. पहला रीजन है peer pressure. मेरे सीनियर्स ने ये कोर्स लिया था, मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी इसी कोर्स में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, so I should also select this course. रैट रेस चलती है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बस इसीलिए ही किसी पर्टिकुलर डिग्री के लिए अप्लाई कर देते हैं. दूसरा रीजन है पेरेंटल प्रेशर. पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि बच्चों को अपने करियर की समझ नहीं है. दे कंपेल देयर बोर्ड टू पिक अप अ कोर्स व्हिच ही और शी इज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन. चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो डोंट वांट टू डिसअपॉइंट देयर पेरेंट्स, इसलिए कभी ऐसा कोर्स पिक कर लेते हैं जो उनके टैलेंट और इंटरेस्ट से मैच नहीं करता. तीसरा रीजन है लैक ऑफ रिसर्च. आपने रिसर्च नहीं किया कि उस कोर्स में क्या सब्जेक्ट्स है, जॉब का क्या स्कोप है, हायर स्टडीज का क्या स्कोप है और आपकी डिग्री खत्म करने तक उस कोर्स की मार्केट वैल्यू कितनी है. फोर्थ रीजन है कंफ्यूजन. Plenty of degree, diploma and certificate courses, regular, correspondence, online courses, immense choice of electives. There is a lot of information on the internet, but all of it is either incorrect or maybe incomplete. Many students are perplexed by the seemingly infinite number of options and career paths available today. Students sometimes make the mistake of selecting a particular field of study based on the current state of market economy. But by the time they graduate and begin their respective careers, the needs and demands of a particular market economy will have changed. Internet पर बहुत सारी information easily accessible है, but a lot of information on the internet is misinforming and misinterpreted. इसलिए बहुत सारे students facts से unaware और misinformed रहते हैं. Students who have no idea what they are in for. इसलिए always rely on authentic sources of information. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे some tips to choose a course in a university or college. Shortlist the subjects that can help you achieve your career goals. कॉलेज लेवल पर जरूरी नहीं है कि आप अपने स्कूल वाले फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स ही सिलेक्ट करें. There may be other subjects which you may enjoy more at a degree level. आप सेल्फ असेसमेंट कीजिए. Write down what are your strong subjects and on a scale of 1 to 10, what is your competitiveness in those subjects. Also, against subject, write down कि उस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड क्या क्या कोर्स अवेलेबल है और क्या क्या करियर पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. Don't let someone else choose for you. It's your degree. At the same time, don't be shy to ask advice from your parents, seniors, alumni, and experts. Explore what courses are available, and if you're pretty sure about what you want, read and research about them and make an informed choice. Do you want to study something completely new? It can be a course like an emerging technology or a sector that wasn't available at school, or a course where you can specialize in an area of your favorite subject not taught in detail at school. If you're finding it hard to decide between two subjects, you may combine them if the choice is available. Also, look for integrated courses. But whatever you choose to do, make sure you really know what you will be studying. Make sure the course you have chosen has a syllabus and modules for you. Make sure you have the right qualifications for the course. Example, if you're going to study physics, your math has to be up to speed. This is really important to avoid disappointment down the line. Make plan A based on the first course in your shortlisted courses. अपने एडमिशन फॉर्म्स फिल करने से पहले shortlist the colleges where this course is available. While evaluating all the options, prepare a plan B in case your first plan doesn't fetch you an admission in the course and college of your choice. Then what is the other alternative? Shortlist your course, subjects and colleges in plan B. Maybe plan C as well. Most importantly, never make a decision on the basis of your college selection. Take admission in the college which provides you the degree that you want. Now, all is left to you. You are the decision maker. The career is yours. Research, decide your career if you haven't already done so. Shortlist the courses of your choice matching your career goal. Explore the college you wish to be in and apply there. This is Schooling Times wishing all the college aspirants all the best. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Make the right and informed choice.